Good morning, everyone. Today, 5th July 2021, I have maintained my court visit diary on domestic violence case number 7 of 2021. So, this case has been brought before the Court of Judicial Magistrate, First Class, East Sikkim at Gangtok. The judge who appeared for the case is Babika Chetri, Judicial Magistrate, First Class, East Sikkim at Gangtok. Date, day and time of my visit is today itself, that is 5th July 2021, Monday at 10 a.m. So the name of the case is Chandrakala Sunwar Mukhia as a petitioner versus Ambar Bahadur Chetri Basnet as a respondent. Case type is, this is a domestic violence case. First hearing has been held on 3rd March 2021. Case status is, the case has already been disposed of and decision has been taken on 30th March 2021. Some of the sections invoked under this case are Section 12 of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, Section 498A of Indian Penal Code 1860. Explanation on procedural provision. Section 12 of Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. Under this section, an aggrieved person or a protection officer or any other person on behalf of aggrieved person may present an application to the magistrate seeking one or more relief under this act. Section 498A of Indian Penal Code. Under this section provides, whoever, being the husband or the relative of husband of a woman, subjects such woman to cruelty, shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine. So under this, there are 4 types of cruelty that are dealt by this law. Number 1, conduct that is likely to drive a woman to suicide. Number 2, conduct which is likely to cause grave injury to life, limb or health of a woman. 3, harassment with the purpose of forcing the woman or her relatives to give some property. Or number 4, harassment because the woman or her relatives is unable to yield to demand for more money or doesn't give some property. So under this particular case, the second category, that is conduct which is likely to cause grave injury to life, limb or health of a woman is involved. So my observation of this case is, on 30th March 2021, aggrieved person was present through learned counsel C. Sri Binod Chetri, who filed an application for withdrawal of the case, that he stated the case has been amicably settled between the aggrieved person and the respondent. So the same has been considered by the court. In the view of the above mentioned facts, domestic violence case number 07 of 2021 stands disposed of as withdrawn. So this has been held in camera. Thank you very much. Have a good day.